there was an amendment in 2008. And I think that the law was complete, and I think that the law is very clear that to be a candidate for the Belize City Council elections, you must have resided in Belize City for at least 1 year, ordinarily resident in Belize City, at least 1 year preceding the date of the election. So for us, the legislation is very clear. The facts are very clear. But again, the court will decide. Ultimately, what arguments are presented by his attorneys and what arguments are presented by the Elections and Boundaries Department as to why they accepted his application, I cannot say, but those are the facts of which I know.
But this is his second time around. He has run already and he has won. Why no?
I think I've mentioned this in a previous interview, and I admitted so, that I personally did not even know that this was the position of the legislation. I can tell you that immediately upon the legislation was brought to us, because of somebody else who was disqualified because of where exactly they resided. And when that was brought to our attention, we reviewed the legislation, and it was our opinion that he should be disqualified. But this matter is of such importance that we felt that it has to go before the court of law so that the court can make a determination. I think that you alluded to it, that there is some confusion, there might be some and general confusion. I've seen it all over the internet where persons talk about, oh, well, if a person is registered at one location, why can they run for certain locations? Not understanding that the laws are very unique for every municipality. And in fact, the laws as it pertains to municipal elections is completely different than the law as it pertains to general elections. And we want for us to obey the law. That is what we've said essentially, that we must obey the law.